Hello and welcome to the basic course in English grammar. This course is designed to help you catch up in class, get extra homework help, bring up your grades and study for exams. This introductory video is followed by a set of 15 videos to give you a detailed information pertaining to parts of speech, the backbone of English language. Now, first of all, we should understand why should we learn English grammar? It is a well-established fact that by learning different grammatical components, kids develop their language skills at a faster rate. For kids, learning grammar helps in development of good writing and language skills. Your grammar skills positively affect other learning areas such as attention and concentration, language comprehensions, storytelling and thinking skills. Learning grammar prepares you for commencing secondary education. It is simply essential for all age groups. For adults, grammar is must for having good command over both our spoken and written communications. People will get clear understanding about us when we use correct language. Poor grammar skill can result in messages being unclear. So here we are with the basic course designed for teaching English grammar, and in this video series we have tried to throw light on parts of speech. Well, the entire course is presented through 15 videos which are explaining about the 8 parts of speech: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Let us have a brief introduction about noun. Well, just try to recall. What was the first naming word you have used? Yes, mom. Mom or mama is the first real word you ever used as a noun. Daddy, grandpa, grandma, uncle, aunt, sister, boy, girl, all these words are examples of noun. We start building our vocabulary with nouns. A noun is a naming word for a person, place, animal, thing or idea. Let us know about pronoun. We use pronoun every day in almost every sentence we speak. Every time when you say I, you or me, you are using a pronoun. It is a short word that is used in place of a noun. Many times pronouns are used to prevent the writer from having to repeat the name of the noun over and over again. For example, you are writing a story with a character Rosie Rocks. How would you feel if you had to write Rosie Rocks over and over throughout your story? How would your reader feel having to read that name each time? Here, pronoun helps you. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. A pronoun is usually substituted for a specific noun. So what do we know about verbs? The verb in a sentence expresses action or being. She can sing. Sing is the main verb and can is the helping verb. All verbs are one of 3 types: action verbs, linking verbs and helping verbs. If a noun was the first word you ever spoke, like mama, a verb was to follow that. Mama, come to me. Now let's have a brief introduction about adjective. We all know that we have 5 senses. They are sight, sound, touch, smell and taste. Well, we use these 5 senses for describing a noun and we use adjectives for doing so. Let us take your favorite ice cream for example. How does it look like? Yummy? Smooth? Cold? Tempting? Yes, it can taste sweet or sour and with different flavors. The word which you use to describe ice cream or anything, person, place, animal or idea are called adjectives. So here we can see that an adjective is a word used to modify or describe a noun or pronoun. It usually answers the question of which one, what kind, or how many. Let us now know about adverb. An adverb describes or modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb, but never a noun. It usually answers the question of when, where, how, why, under what conditions, or to what degree. Adverbs often end in -ly. To put it another way, an adverb describes action and it describes other descriptive words. It's easy to confuse the two main types of describing words, adverbs and adjectives. An adjective only has one job, modifying nouns and pronouns. An adverb gets the rest of the modifying work to modify verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. So when you look at a describing word, you should check what does it describe and what kind of word is that. Now let's see about preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to form a phrase modifying another word in the sentence. Therefore, a preposition is always part of a prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase almost always functions as an adjective or as an adverb. Prepositions are words which link nouns, pronouns and phrases to other words in a sentence. A brief introduction is here about conjunctions. What are the conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that connect or link phrases, sentences, clause or words together. You can think of these words as words that join phrases or different parts of a sentence together. Common conjunctions include and, but, or, yet, for, nor, so. A conjunction joins words, phrases, or clause and indicates the relationship between the elements joined. Coordinating conjunctions connect grammatically equal elements and, but, or, nor, for, so, yet. Subordinating conjunctions connect clauses that are not equal because, although, while, since, etc. There are other types of conjunctions as well. Let us have a brief introduction about interjections. An interjection is a word used to express emotion. It is often followed by an exclamation point. Well, to convey emotions, we use interjections. We hope that you liked this explanation about parts of speech of English grammar. You are requested to watch the complete set of videos for further understanding. Thank you very much.